Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone! For today's video, we will be making a diorama. So if you don't know how to create a diorama, you better watch this video until the end. In developing a diorama, you need to choose a concept or theme of your ideal diorama. Second, research the subject. So if you don't have a lot of information about your ideal diorama, then browse on the internet for more information and ideas. Third, make a rough sketch of your ideal diorama. You need to sketch your ideal diorama so that you'll be having a guide on the process of making. It will serve as the blueprint or a plan. And lastly, make a list of the item you'll needed and gather the supplies. So, without further ado, let's get started. So the concept of our diorama is a farm, named as PJ's Farm, stand for Pamela Joy, which basically my name. Second is the materials we needed are box and cardboard, construction paper and cartolina, scissor, popsicle stick and oil pastel, glue gun, glue stick and glue, ruler, pencil, pentel pen and tape, and lastly, printed pictures. First step, sketch the ideal diorama. Step 2. Cut the box or the cardboard. It will serve as the base of the diorama. Step 3. Cut the colored green cartolina, then paste it on the ground of the box. It will serve as the grass of the farm. With the use of blue construction paper, paste it on the background of the diorama. Step 4. Cut the printed pictures, then paste it on the both side and the middle part of the box. Step 5. Cut the remaining printed pictures. It will serve as the characters of the farm. Step 6. Make a DIY backyard with the use of popsicle sticks. After creating a backyard, paste it on the both side and in front of the box. Step 7. Put the DIY farmhouse, windmill, and pine trees inside the box. Make sure to put it on the best place. Step 8. Create a lake with the use of blue construction paper. And last step. Paste the printed pictures inside the box. Then, add some additional design on your ideal diorama to make it look more presentable and creative. That's it! My own version of diorama, a PJ's Farm diorama team. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!